So at this point, the trailer's taking me about 2 hours to assemble. All I have to do is put that wheel on and flip it over and put the hubcaps on it, and then at that point I could slide the camper onto it. I was gonna make a video of assembling the trailer, but there's a guy, his channel is called Wanna Be Free, and he's got a trailer assembly video in there. It's really, really good. I'm just not willing to work that hard, nor do I have the know-how to edit, but if you need to see one assembled, they're real simple to do. Look at that guy on Wanna Be Free, and his is really in depth. So, all right, and this is where we are on the camper part. I kind of stalled out because I'm waiting for the trailer to come. I need to do some measurements off the trailer, so we're good to go. I'll see y'all on the next video. Take it easy.